There's the brake pipe. I bought that flexi, there's no locking nut with it. There it goes. Up around that beam. Down. And here, I put some rubber tubing over that, so it won't rub the chassis. These bends here, I made with this spring. And there's the pipe, and there's the spring. And that's all you do, is that. Just like a plumber. It's easier to do it with the spring there, because the time I get that machine in there, that bending machine I got, it's in the way. I made this little template out of a welding rod, took the flux off it. And when you're doing it, make sure you've got a mild steel rod and not stainless, otherwise it won't bend. Right, I finished doing this, connecting the brake pipe to the flexible for the rear axle. When it goes on the back axle, I'm putting this fitting on here. Rather than the fluid going to one wheel and the other, this will disperse it better, I think. So there we are. And my fuel tank, I'm certainly not impressed. I've said it before. So unfortunately, it's coming out and I'm having a new one.